What have we got today? We've got a box. And let's see if we can see. Outdoor survival. Okay. So I guess we're kicking Dad out of the house. What have we got here? A little pamphlet. Appears to be a multi-tool. It's got a knife, a saw, a can opener, a bottle opener, a tape cutter, a glass breaker, fire starter and whistle, adapters, small hexagonal wrench, micro screwdriver, and ejection pin. Each tool is equipped with a safety lock. Make sure the tool is fully extended before use. The safety lock snaps into place and the tool can be folded up by releasing the lock lever. Oh, there's 6 screwdriver bits fitted as well. Let's get in there. This comes with a loop strapped to your belt. And we got the plastic wrap. It's quite a hefty thing. It's quite thick. Just shy of 5 inches long. A little more than 1.5 inches wide and 1 inch deep. But it is a hefty looking little beastie. So you've got Allen wrenches here. Right. Kind of neat. And then this is your screwdriver. And you have your bits down here. You just push out with your thumb, and then they go in there. This is pretty cool. I like this. I don't know how well these bits, you might lose them. Okay, now this is locked into place. And so, yes, this is what, oh, okay, I see. So right there, there's a bit you have to push down on to allow that to come back. Okay. Then we have the knife, which seems like a substantial knife. And it's got a lock again. It's like a liner lock. Okay. And what else do we have? Saw. And that locks into place. And then we have the blade. That also locks into place. And then on this side we have a seatbelt cutter, I believe, and a bottle opener, and a screwdriver on the tip. Then we have the screwdriver I just showed you. And then we have, it's like got so much stuff, it's hard to find it all. Then you've got your Allen wrenches here. One of which is a little tiny Phillips screwdriver. This goes down, and then this is locked, so you've got, I don't know if you can see it, but you've got this little tab here that you push down on. And then on this side, the knife's here, so there's a little thing here. You push on that, and then you can close it. And then for the saw, it's the same sort of thing. But herein lies the rub with the saw. You really got to get your finger in there to push that to get the saw to, but I think it's not too bad. What I don't know is that there's this thing here. Oh, this is like what did they refer to this as? An ejection pin. You know, probably. And that is also your whistle. See that? Wow, that's freaking loud. You've got here, you've got a loop for a lanyard, and then you've got this is a glass breaker. So this is a pretty cool item. I really dig this. And it would indeed make a great gift for your outdoorsy. Oh, fire starter. Fire starter and whistle. So this is not your ejection pin. This is a fire starter. So this is like a flint. Some sort of flint device. I don't know exactly how that works to start fire. I'm guessing if you strike it against a rock or a hard surface, you'll get sparks off of it. Is how that works. There's probably going to be a ton of editing on this one, ladies and gentlemen, but there you have it. The multi-tool.